Bhavna Yashroy, Commissioner Income Tax, TDS.
Ma'am, tell us what is the importance behind this organizing this seminar?
TDS is one of the largest sources of revenue for Government of India. Within income tax, this is the single largest component of tax revenue. We are holding this seminar as a taxpayer education series to educate our taxpayers about the Traces portal through which they file their TDS returns. And by doing so, we want to ensure transparency and better compliance of TDS across the jurisdiction of Karnataka and Goa.
Okay. Who are taking part in this? Which representations?
Our participants include both government and non-government deductors across various sectors, schools, cooperative societies, banks, state government organizations, public sector organizations, because all of them are very important TDS deductors.
Do you think so the information of TDS, how to go about and all, is still lacking behind to a certain level in certain areas and all?
Our jurisdiction spreads across some very remote areas.
Correct.
So yes, there is lack of taxpayer awareness. We have our website and portals through which we educate even the remote area deductors. But nevertheless, these kind of seminars help the deductors a lot in learning about the new developments and in clarifying their doubts and their grievances.
How much importance does TDS becomes for a deductor whenever they are not aware about it, how to get it resolved?
If the deductor is not aware, many times they end up filing incorrect returns, which leads to errors, and then you have departmental notices being issued asking them to pay up the taxes. But through these seminars, they are able to clarify their doubts, learn the mistakes, rectify their mistakes, and in all, it leads to better TDS compliance and obviously better tax collections, and I would say a happier assessee and a happier nation that way.